So today I want to teach you how to create an easy, simplified web browser in C# 2008. So you're going to open up a new file, new project. You want to create a Windows Forms application. Call it whatever you'd like. Create the forms big as you want, really. And now in your toolbox, you're going to want to look for, just minimize that, go to All Windows Forms, scroll down until you find Web Browser. Do that, drag it as big as you want. Then you want to click this arrow right here, top corner, Undock and Parent Container, you want to click that. You want to load in a text box control. To make things really simple, we'll create a Go button. Call that Go. So name your web browser whatever you'd like. So what you want to do, everything's going to be focused in the Go command. So double click that, open it up, and you're going to want to type doesn't have to necessarily be web browser 1, it'll be whatever you called your web browser. .navigate, make sure the caps, all punctuation and grammar is correct here, otherwise it'll pick it up as an error, like so. Here, if I do this, it'll give me an error saying I'm using an invalid reference. So you're going to keep that a capital. You don't need the quotes. Quotations are needed. So you're going to type in textbox1.text. Again, watch your capitalization and your grammar here. So now what it's telling you to do right here is to browse according to what you typed in the text box. So for example, if I run the application really fast here, so if I go to google.ca, for example, I hit go, it's going to take me to google.ca, or it's just going to cancel. So what you're going to do, I'll get to that actually right now. So type in your HTTP, www.google.ca. In that case, my internet isn't connected. So what I'm going to do now is reconnect my internet cable. 1 minute. Apologize for that. There we go. Okay. Now that we're connected again here, my apologies. You don't need the hip toss. But I'll include it anyways. Do that, you hit go. There you go. Brings you to google.ca. So now what we're going to do is we're going to improve that a little bit. We're going to shrink this just a little bit here. We'll add another control. You can add another but controller, just copy the one you have now and just name it to back. And forward. So you can double click one of them. In my case, I just clicked back. So you're going to type in webbrowser1.goback. Again, name this whatever your web browser name is, otherwise it won't work. And you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to type in this time you're going to type in go forward. Just like that. That way, execute it just like this. Go to google.ca, hit go, pops up. Now I want to go to msn.ca. need to go back somewhere, in case you forget something, anything like that, just hit the back button. There you are. Hit the forward button, you're back to where you were last. Another simple way here. If you plan on, a lot of browsers, this right here, they want to make full screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to anchor everything to follow the screen as it moves in size. So what you're going to do is you're going to anchor it, choose whatever you like. In this case right here is top left. What you want to do is you want to go top, remove the top there, go left, right, bottom. Same as a button, top, left. You want to get rid of the left, you want to go right. Forward, the exact same thing as the go button. I won't bother with those, you know what to do there. Going up to the top here, you want to go anchor this, top, left, and right. If you choose bottom on any of these, it'll stretch with the application as it goes further. So as I'm going here, I'll open it up. Just such. I don't have it set to top, so this won't be as high. If I set it to top like this, the web browser here, such, and now I execute it. Then I go like such, and there you go, you have your web browser. As you continue on, it gets a little more difficult. You can alternatively do this. I've created a web browser of my own here. Just run it up real quick. Here's an example of what it's like. Here's my web browser. I have everything I need. I have my go button. I have my home page set to load. I have a setup to let my users change any configuration they'd like here. To set their updates after Carbon. My web browser, for example, says the option is not suggested. Some security features. You visit any website that's considered dangerous here. Give you a random website that was recently scanned and didn't pass verification. It'll give you a warning saying the website may be unsafe. Again, you can do this all by yourself. It's really simple. There's a few tutorials out on Google. I'll post those in the description to the right. Another cool feature is that I've added, you can't edit any text on a website, for example. So if I go to google.ca, again, I added a feature for the enter key. You can find that on Google, probably the first result, really simple. You can add, I have an edit page, so, you can edit the page you're on. I can visit the website that I created to check for updates or repair the software, just like this. Click that. It'll then take me to the software, well, it's supposed to. Anywho, you can change all of this. All of that's really simple. Pretty much involves the same steps I just showed you in the tutorial. I hope you enjoy.